Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete images in Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, firstly open your Discord server and into there just simply find out the Midjourney bot and open it. Then after opening Midjourney bot, you just simply have to find out the image that you want to delete. And after finding out the image, just simply tap into the image for a while and then scroll down a bit and you will see this delete message option. Just simply tap into that and then click to yes in order to confirm. Then after doing this, your image will successfully be deleted from Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.